Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Another breath in. Exhale. Sitting comfortably now, and with every breath, relaxing even more. Sense a golden light of protection around you as you continue to breathe. Now visualize white light flowing into the top of your head from the heart of heaven. Feel this pure connection of light flowing through you. It's of the highest vibration imaginable. Focus on your breath. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. This high vibrational light is slowly moving down the rest of your body and into the heart and core of Mother Earth. Breathe into this connection with Mother Earth. Feel the grace. Feel the strength. Feel the love. Breathe into your heart, love, love, knowing and feeling that you are loved, that you are love. Breathing this into your heart. Feel it. Sense it. Allow it. You might want to put a hand on your heart for comfort. Your being here has made a positive difference for so many souls. You have contributed to raising Mother Earth's vibration of peace and love for all beings. Your presence is important to the Earth's balance. Visualize yourself feeling loved and nurtured. Visualize there being enough love for you. Filling yourself with divine light and love. There is enough. There has always been enough love for you. You are so very worthy and deserving of feeling this love that has arrived just for you in this present moment. Breathe it in, even deeper. Now bring your focus to the animals as a whole, and with the power of your mind, imagine all animals being respected, loved, and treated with compassion. Imagine all animals, plants, oceans, and people living as one in harmony. imagine the Earth's vibration in complete harmony, with the prominent vibration being one of peace, one of love, one in balance with all of life. Feel the love that is flowing through you now. Visualize animals living their lives in alignment and fulfilling their soul's purpose. Imagine every one of them feeling loved, nurtured, and having all of their needs met. As you visualize the highest and best for each animal, you are also healing anything within you that might be in pain or feeling neglected, abandoned, or victimized. So give yourself permission to let this beautiful golden light gently flow to these areas within you for a peaceful and easy release. Be gentle with yourself and know that you are loved. We are all one. Everything on earth is alive. Everything on earth has purpose. Everything on earth is connected. Everything on earth is to be embraced. We are all one. All of life feels love. As you begin to come back to this present place and time, remember this feeling of harmony within and breathe in love and compassion for yourself, the animals, and the planet as often as possible. And so it is.